What are the opportunities for caregiving family members to bring in someone for short-term things
Yeah,
like vacations, weekends, or
absolutely.
evenings away?
We do a lot of that. We call it respite care.
Hmm.
And, with somebody like that who's got a loved one that they're taking care of, usually they're trying to balance that between a full-time job, their own family, care for loved ones, other than, children as well
Hmm.
as adult, and so to give somebody in a position like that who's doing that work for free all the time, whenever basically they're not at their, 9 to 5, to give them a 4 hour break, so that they can go and go to a book club, go play euchre, go to the Legion or wherever it is they go hang out, relax, take a break, and not have to worry about that loved one, that means the world to them. So we do a lot of those, what we call respite shifts, a lot of times people are paying for that out of pocket, or they maybe have VA or Medicaid that kind of fits the bill for that. And we want to make sure that that family loved one gets a chance to recharge. Some of the biggest tragedies I've seen were caregivers for a loved one, wife for a husband, typically. Husband's got dementia. He's, knocking on death's door a lot of times. And the wife actually dies before he does, and her being in perfectly good health when things start, but she exhausts herself,
Hmm.
and if she doesn't take care of herself, if she, catches a cold, the flu, whatever it is, oftentimes will lead to pneumonia because your immune system is like crap when you've, gotten to that point where you've exhausted yourself. And I've had two people in the last year that they were in otherwise good health themselves, absolutely exhausted themselves to death, and they died before their loved one.